Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have the ice cream beauty. It arrived Saturday late. You know, the mail is really starting to get bogged down and I didn't get this till like, I want to say 6:30 in the evening. So that's what I'm doing. I'm recording and I'm going to get this out as soon as possible so you all can see what the ice cream beauty is for December. I'm so excited. This subscription box runs $25 a month and it usually has a $130 value. Now that can vary, of course, and there's usually 5 to 6 items in the box, and they do have a bag. And I think the bag is around $15 a month, and that one will have probably 3 to 4 items. This might have 4 to 6, sure, but I'm thinking we'll have 5 items. You can order this box all the way up to January 1st and get the December box. So if you like this box and you haven't subscribed yet, then check it out. And I will have a link down in my description. And if I can find any discounts, I'll also have those there as well. I will tell you, with Ice Cream Beauty, you get points. So I'm not exactly sure how their program works, but I will put a link down there. And if you're interested, you can go and check out the Ice Cream Beauty. But without me just going on and on about it, let's find out what's in here. We are guaranteed a palette in each box. So I know we're going to have a palette. And she always has it packed. And we have our card right on top. And we just saw it fall right off of there. This is December milk and cookies for Santa. How appropriate. Don't we all want to have a little bit of milk and cookies out for Santa? That's just the big thing to do, isn't it? Looks like we're going to have several items in here. We're going to have a Gilletta palette. Well, let's just take things out as we can find them. The first thing I am seeing in here is a Glow milk. And the Glow milk has a $15 value, and this is by the Beauty Crop. And what goes with cookies better than milk? This liquid highlighter went viral on both Instagram and TikTok for creating a glass skin-like effect. Apply a drop or two onto your hand and then onto the blending of the sponge to pick up some of the product. Dab off any excess from the sponge onto the back of your hand, and what is left and on the sponge apply to a desired area for a glass skin finish. Well, how about that? So have any of you used this phenomenon, the Glass Glow? It looks like it's like all packaged up. I don't want to take it out of the box. Let me see if I can get it out from underneath. I don't want to tear up my little milk carton. It's so cute. I like it. Well, it's in here really good. Oh, look at that. Milk Glow. So it literally is a Milk Glow. You might need to shake it up. Looks like it's separated. I don't know. I'm not sure. Can you see that? It looks like it's separated, so I don't know if it's in good shape or not. Oh, it looks like it's dried up. Is that how it's supposed to be? I can see where it's going to put a shine on your face. Yeah, look at that. I mean, look at the palm of my hand. It really glowed it up, didn't it? Put some on my cheeks. I don't even know if it'll actually go on there. But very interesting. So we got the Glow milk by Body Crop, and it came in this nice little milk carton that I was trying to keep all intact. And I'm not sure if I managed to do that or not. But it has a $15 value, and it's going to make your face glow. And I would say, according to my hand, it's going to be a nice little glow, all right. Now, the next item that I'm pulling out of here is Pure Cosmetics. And the Pure Cosmetics Picture Perfect HD Powder is a $33 value. And I'm thinking this is a translucent powder. And that's perfect. I've been running low on my translucent powders. So let's take a look at this. There we go. Okay, yeah, this is a translucent powder. And like I said, this is something that I'm needing, so I'm glad to get this. It has like a little buffer. So I guess you can undo this. And it's pure cosmetic. And that's the color, so it's a translucent color. And I always use a brush, but I guess you could use the little pad there, and it has a mirror on the inside. So that's kind of nice. And it looks like you can actually open this up just like that. So that's really cool. I like the packaging, isn't that nice? And that's by Pure Cosmetic. It says is it snow? Unfortunately, no. This is mattifying loose powder. Feels weightless on your skin. So it's the HD formula, and this powder will create a flawless finished HD camera ready and everyday life look. That's great. I really do need some of this, so I'm glad to have that. That's perfect. Perfect. And again, that was a $28 value. Our next item is a silicone-coated penguin blending sponge by Base Blue Cosmetics, and it has a $13 value. And isn't that just adorable? I'm going to leave that intact because that's going to make a nice little gift for somebody I know. That is so cute. Got the little red lips on there and everything. That is adorable. Okay, and again, that is a $13 value. Now, the next item I'm pulling out of here is Basic Lip Kit by Basic Beauty, and it's a $25 value. And that is right here, and it is a lip kit, and we are going to be having a gel liner and a cream liquid lipstick. So let's take a look at this, see how it is. Ooh, I like the color. Look at that. It's nice and red, just great for Christmas. It's called Bougie, or is that called Boozy? Yeah, Boozy Beauty. Interesting. Let's see how liquidy it is. Look how red that is. It'll probably go well with the lipstick I have on right now. And it has a lip liner in here too. Very nice. I like that. I might try this. Let's try this on. It matches what I have on. So I can have some more lipstick on. Very nice. That's a winner. I like that. Okay, now we're down to the palette. The palette has a $45 value, and it is a Galetta palette by Chenico Beauty. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. They've got it wrapped up nice. Let's take a look at this. Galetta Chenico Beauty. Chenico Beauty. Have y'all heard of this? I'm sure many of you all have. I'm probably the one that hasn't. But interesting on the outside. Oh my goodness, and look at these colors. These are beautiful. This will make a great color story. And I'm trying to get the plastic cover off. And then I'm going to have to cover up the mirror. But I want you to see these colors. Aren't those gorgeous? This is a gorgeous palette. Oh my gosh, I love the shimmers. I like the greens in there. And the purples will look so pretty. And even that gold would look good. And look at that bright baby blue. Oh yeah, these are very nice colors. You have some neutrals, but then you have lots of pops of color. And I like this pewter color over here too. That is a beautiful, beautiful palette. And I like the artwork on there. It shows us how we can really be dramatic if you want to really spice it up. So that is my ice cream for beauty. Yay, yay, yay. We all scream for ice cream beauty. And I think they have curated another great box. I have not been disappointed. I think this is my fourth one to get. and I was on contract for 6 times, I think, and I have just really, really liked this box. I think they do a great job, and if you didn't know, these little peanut things melt when they get wet, so they're very environmentally friendly. But as a recap, we got the palette, we got the Pure Cosmetic loose powder, we got the Glow Milk highlighter, we got this cute little penguin cosmetic sponge, and we got this great lip kit with the liquid lipstick, and it's a cream liquid lipstick, it says, and I'll show you the color again because it matches what I have on. And of course I got a lip liner to go with it, so that is just perfect. So I love my little box. Let me know, what was your favorite? What's my favorite? Well, my favorite this time, even though I love that palette, is going to be the loose powder, because I need some loose powder and I like translucent loose powder. So this is my favorite, and of course my next favorite would be that beautiful eye palette. But that is my December Ice Cream Beauty Box. And like I said, you can order this all the way up to January 1st, as long as they have some in stock. I was reading that on their site. So if you order in December, you will get the December box, even up to January 1st, as long as it's available. So if this is something that you're interested in, then check my descriptions. I will have a link that'll at least get you there. And then you can take it from there if you decide that Ice Cream Beauty is something for you. Now guys, be sure and check my descriptions, because I will be having some things coming up. I don't have it coming up just quite yet, but I do have my 5 Days of Look Fantastic Christmas series coming up very soon. So be on the lookout for that, and there will be 5 days worth of videos, 5 giveaways, a giveaway per video, and I will give you more details in the very first one that will be coming out soon. So this will be featuring my Look Fantastic 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. So yeah, I finally got it. Took a while, and I had to figure out how to use it because I use Glossybox in my Advent Calendar series, and this will be the 5 Days of Look Fantastic Christmas. So be sure and look for that. As for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.